Guys, we're moving in on some birds this morning. It was pretty eventful, but we had some low battery issues with it being so cold. It was 27 degrees this morning when we stepped out, so we've got 3 or 4 strutters on one of the home pieces here on Grandpa's, and they look pretty playable right now. Doesn't look like they have very many hens, so we're gonna come down through this bottom and peek up over the hill and see if we can make a move on them. Yeah. Nice.
That was awesome.
That was sick.
That was awesome. He's a nice mature bird. When she got there, I'm like,
No, well, I was moving too because I had to get the camera off the tripod and move the camera over because he was literally in line with this. So
I suppose I should FaceTime my dad or something.
yeah, sweet. Check out the setup. I mean, they had no idea we were here.
No clue. There go the rest of them. Look at, they're still gobbling. Snuck in on them. We snuck in. That's where I was sitting. I was right over the top of the hay bale.
30 yards maybe.
I'll see it. I'm rocking up on it for the first time. I pounded him.
He's a nice bird.
He's a nice
I didn't
bird.
get the best footage of him coming in, but I got on him when you hit him. That's a big bird.
I thought it was a double beard. It is a double beard. Oh, maybe not.
No, it's just a rope of a beard.
What's he got for hooks on? Nice hooks.
Yeah.
But anyway, I figured I'd let you know I got one. I'll be home soon. That's a good bird.
Yeah.
That's a 25-pound bird, damn near.
Nice.
The carnage spot.
Yeah. Laid him down. It's a nice beard though. Like,
Oh, I should FaceTime one more person.
it's pretty thick too, you know.
Right.
I don't know. I'd say it's over 10. I mean, not the giant hooks on them, but good ones.
Well, folks, opening day of 2025 turkey season was a success. We had a great morning on one of my farms. We were able to call in 8 toms. They came to about 65 yards, just hung up, kind of had a lot of hens with them, decided to head north off after that. So we started looking at some of our other pieces and found 4 birds strutting with a low amount of hens, and slipped around on them, got a strutter out, and so once they saw that and heard the calling, it was game over. This bird broke loose with 1 hen and came just running in. I busted him at about 30 yards. So it was a beautiful day in the turkey woods, a lot of gobbling action after 2 days of gale force winds. So hopefully we can get some more on the ground this season, so stick with us.